Today we are going to learn about the different parts of our body with Core Kids TV. Let's start. This part of the body is called hair. This part of the body is called head. The head is the main and topmost part of the body. Head consists of the hair and face. This part of the body is called ear. We have 2 ears for hearing. This part of the body is called eye. We have 2 eyes. We are able to see with these eyes. This part of the body is called nose. We have 1 nose for smelling. This part of the body is called mouth. This part of the body is called lips. This part of the body is called teeth. This part of the body is called tongue. We have 1 tongue for tasting. This part of the body is called neck. We can move our head because of our neck. This part of the body is called shoulder. We have 2 shoulders. The 2 arms are joined to the shoulders. This part of the body is called chest. This part of the body is called arm. We have 2 arms. This part of the body is called elbow. This part of the body is called hand. Hand consists of 5 digits. 5 digits consists 4 fingers and 1 thumb. This part of the body is called fingers. We have 4 fingers on 1 hand. This part of the body is called leg. We have 2 legs. Legs help us to move from one place to another. This part of the body is called knee. This part of the body is called foot. We have 5 toes on each foot. Thanks for watching Core Kids TV. Please subscribe our channel for more learning videos. Thank you.